Guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll talk about how to create list views with Salesforce Data in Titan Web. So I'm going to show you how a list view works. Under the table, you've got the list view icon, and you can drag the element over. There are two places you can bring data from in Salesforce. You can either use reports. If you have reports in Salesforce, you may do that, or you can do it from object. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up to 20 records from object account. I'm going to add a slight condition. This is where you add conditions. For example, my condition will be account name contains hospital. And then I can add my columns. So I'm going to bring back names, I want to bring back type, I want to bring back number. So basically what we do is we give you the label of the actual field into this as the header. You can obviously change it. So for example, this one I just wanted to call type. If you want to rearrange your columns, you may do that by dragging them like this. And that's it. Click apply and your list view is ready. Let's talk about the styling aspect first. You can do that by clicking on the style menu and you've got all the different attributes available to the list view, which you can go ahead and choose the font, fill it with the color you want, and that's it. You can do that from there. Furthermore, this is the list configuration. Here you can edit the mapping again if you want to. These are your columns. You can also rearrange them here if you want to, and then we will just adjust them for you. And then the interactivity. If you want to hide this on load, then you check this, and what will happen is on load it will be hidden, and then you can trigger another button or another condition to then show it. You can allow row selection. If you want to run multiple actions based off record selections, then you can do that. If you want to hide the header row, you can do that here. If you want to auto grow, you can do that here. Conditions, you can set conditions. So if a value equals XYZ, you can run a bunch of different actions to it from here. This is your Salesforce, and you can run this as a user action, onload, auto trigger. It's really up to you at the end of the day. Animation, let's add a little animation to it. And this is where you can add your metadata over here. So that's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and configure some action. I'm going to run this every time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our account get. Alright, let me show you how this works. Let's click save, let's click publish, and just like that, look at that, there's the animation kicking in and there's our data. Alright, and that's the list view for you, and as I said, you can do multiple actions of it if you wish as well. You can bring reports. It really is a quite flexible element that you can also use as a Lightning Web component. So that's the list view for you.